Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today is going to be another review. I promise you guys that now that I'm back with like back-to-back review for you guys. All those products that have been trending that have not come to share with you guys, I am back to share them with you right now. Today we're going to be looking at another product that I really like. It has been around for a very long time, very effective as well. If you're on a budget, especially for students or somebody who just doesn't have a lot of money to spend on skincare but you still want a good skin, then don't worry, this is for you. So we're going to be looking at the Queen Helen Toning Lotion, the egg yolk, this, and then the serum, and then he has its own soap. So this is, oh, I don't know, did you see that? Yes. So this is from Queen Helen. These are amazing products. These are Nigerian made products, but they are very most of the time we don't even give honor to all these our Nigerian made products, because some of them are very good and they give very good results. Honestly, one of them is this Queen Helen. Queen Helen has been around for a while as well. They also have a shower gel. Yes, there's a shower gel, but I don't have the shower gel today. I'll get it and make a review about it another time. But today we're just looking at the lotion, the serum, and the face and the soap. So this soap, you can use it on both your face and your body. It is an amazing, effective whitening soap. You guys have been saying it in some of my videos, like egg yolk is now one of my favorite ingredients now. It's one of my favorite ingredients because the more I get to know about this ingredient, the more I love it because of the result that it gives. This is a complexion toning soap enriched with egg extract. It's hydroquinone free. It is suitable for most people of color. I'm going to remove it just to show you because it's a transparent soap so that you guys don't go and get fake. I can't smell nada, but that is what it looks like. It is not, it's looking orange in this video, but it is not. So it is a transparent, yeah, kind of, I don't know. This is transparent. I don't know whether to call it yellowish or what, but this soap is super effective. It is a complexion toning soap, like I mentioned. It's made with egg yolk extract, gentle and effectively cleanse away excess oil from the skin. It also tones your skin naturally. It's mild and it reasons completely of your body. This is a very good lightening soap that is going to help you to tone out your skin, to give you an even skin tone. Like, I don't like it when people have different colors on their skin. Get a product like this that can even out your skin, give you one skin tone from head to toe. Now let's look into the serum. This is the toning lotion, which creates an even lighter, lovelier appearance and gives a radiant, smooth complexion. Mouthful. This is made with egg yolk that contains vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B12, and folic acid. Do you guys see why I'm telling you that this egg yolk is coming up to be one of my favorite skincare actives? It has a lot of benefit and a lot of goodness to you. So all these vitamins I've just mentioned will help to maintain and balance your complexion and give you a healthy looking skin. This lotion can be used twice in a day, morning and night, although it doesn't contain any SPF, but it is a mild lotion that works gently, but it is a lightening lotion. It is a lightening lotion, a very good lightening lotion that doesn't cause any harm to your skin. It is also a lotion that you can easily mix with other serums to get more effect. But if you are planning to use it alone, you can also do that and you will get amazing results. This will nourish your skin. This will moisturize your skin, gradually lighten your skin and give you a radiant, smooth appearance. This is small but mighty. It's only 250 ml, but it delivers good results. It also has its own serum, which you can actually add to it. You can add this serum to the lotion. This serum is only, I think it's about 30 ml. Yeah, I think it's about 30 ml. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it for you guys to see. So this is how it comes. If you remove it from the pack, this is how it comes. And I'm thinking, yes, it's 30 ml. It's 30 ml. This is another small but mighty. This serum, it looks small, Abby, but what it does, it is mighty. You can use it to even activate any other lotion. This serum is more for my lighting, it's smoothing, it's unique, and it gives you very nice skin texture when you had it with the lotion. You can use, like for me, I will say just 1 to 1, 1 serum to 1 lotion. You don't even need to add it. You can just put them on your palm when you are ready to use. Just a drop and mix it with the lotion and use. But for people that like to mix, you can mix 1 to 1 lotion. Or if you want extreme whitening, then you can add 2 to this lotion. I know that other people do pro-mix. This is entirely your choice if you want to. This is a lotion that you can actually pro-mix as well. I think it's so this lotion can also be pro-mixed. Oh, it's not bad. It's white in color and it can be pro-mixed with any other serums that you are comfortable with. But as far as I'm concerned, just pro-mixing with its own serum will do the job for you and it will give you a good result. Have you tried this? I need to know if you have tried it. Comment in the comment section. Tell me your experience. Did you mix it with the serum? Did you use it alone? Did you mix it with other serum? Share your experience. I'm so happy to hear from you. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment. I like hearing from you guys. Thank you for watching. I sell them. If you are interested, you can order from my website or walking into our walk-in store in Ibadan, Nigeria, and we will be happy to receive you and to serve you. Until next time, stay blessed.